Today we are going to practice our order of operations. Okay, before we do this problem, let's review and go over our order of operations. Okay, our first step, we start with parentheses. After parentheses, we do exponents, which we will not learn until next year. So move on to multiplication or division. Okay, remember what comes first when you read the equation from left to right, L to R, left to right. So if division comes first in the problem, then you do division, you divide. If multiplication comes first, you multiply first. Okay, after multiplication and division, you add or subtract. Again, whatever comes first, left to right when you read the problem. Okay, so let's do this one together. We have 4 plus parentheses 3 times 5. Close parentheses. Okay, remember our first step is parentheses. So I'm going to underline my first step. 3 times 5, which is 15. I'm going to bring down my 4 and my addition sign. My last step is 4 plus 15. 4 plus 15 is 19. Okay, let's do another one together. Okay, we have 8 plus, in parentheses, 8 times 1 divided by 2, close parentheses. Remember your order of operation, PEMDAS. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication, or divide, whatever comes first, reading the problem left to right, addition and subtraction would be your last step. Again, whatever comes first when you read your problem left to right. So I start with parentheses. Do I have parentheses? Yes, I do. I have 8 times 1 divided by 2 in parentheses. Now, do I do 8 times 1 first or 1 divided by 2 first? Okay, well, if I look at my steps, okay, I have multiplication or division. Okay, what comes first when I read my problem left to right? So left to right. 8 times 1 comes first. So that is my first step. What is 8 times 1? 8. Okay, then I'm going to bring the rest of my problem down. 8 plus my parentheses. Don't forget to bring your parentheses sign down. And then I did 8 times 1, which is 8. Bring down your division sign. Divided by 2, close parentheses. Okay, I still have parentheses, so I gotta do whatever's in my parentheses first, and then I can move outside of my parentheses. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, then I bring down my 8 plus, and my last step, addition. What is 8 plus 4? 12. And 12 is my answer. Okay, let's do one last one together. Okay, so remember to write PEMDAS on the side. My first step is parentheses. So if you see any parentheses, underline it. 6 times 3 is in parentheses. What is 6 times 3? 18. Okay, then I bring down the rest of my problem. 6 plus 7 times, and then 6 times 3, we got 18, minus 10. Okay, so I'm done with parentheses. There are no more parentheses. My next step is multiplication or division, whatever comes first when you read the problem left to right. Okay, so I have multiplication. There is no division in my problem. So 7 times 18. Okay, if we don't know how to do 7 times 18 in our head, that's okay. We're going to go to the side. 18, you put the bigger number on top. 18 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So I have 126. So I put 126, and then I bring down the rest of my problem. So 6 plus 126 minus 10. So I'm done with multiplication and division. My last step is addition or subtraction. Whatever comes first when I read my problem, left to right. Okay, so I have 6 plus 126. Addition comes before subtraction in this problem, so I'm going to do addition first. 126 plus 6 is 132 minus 10. So you bring down your minus and your 10. Okay, now my last step is 132 minus 10, which is 122.